I've been rained off at work, so I thought I'd do a quick update video on what's happened today. And I said, I think it was last Thursday, that I would do an update for Friday. But to be honest, I mean, the price action on Friday wasn't up to very much, because there was the UK red news at 7 a.m. UK time, and we can see for most of the day price was inside that candle. I mean, it broke out of it on the news at 3 p.m. UK time. The US red news broke below that 7 a.m. candle there, but basically, I mean, I didn't take any trades, and there wasn't really anything happening to get involved with on Friday. But this morning was a different story. On Forex Factory, I posted up my observations. This was on the 15-minute chart. At what time was that? I think it was 7:15. Yeah, I think this was 7:15 UK time. This candle opened at 6:45 a.m. and we can see, price went on, made a high, and I was looking at price coming back within this bullish candle to look for price action to go long. This is what the 1 minute chart looked like. You can see, there was an area of inefficiencies. Price moved out of this area. See, and I was waiting for price to pull back into this area to see bullish price action on the 1 minute chart to go long. And you can see there was also inefficient price here. You see, from there up to there, really, that never got filled in, and this moved out quite inefficiently, and price never came back in to fill all this in. So in theory, I could have waited, for price to come back here and fill all this in. But anyway, at this time, whatever time that was, I went long at 1:25.27.8, 1.25.27.8. I took a long trade. Price came back into an area where I wanted to see it come back to, which was between, where was it? That high, well, that bearish candle, 15-minute candle that was there. See, it came in back inside that. I had a bullish response out and went long there. I mean, when you look at it on a 15-minute chart, I mean, it wasn't really the wisest thing to start going long from here, because you can see, the bearish candle there with a long wick on it, bearish wick. But you see, there is where I went long. What time was that? That was 7:15. Well, 7:14 I went long. And we can see, to start with, I thought, things were going well. It broke out, made a new high here. After that price broke out, I set my stop to break even plus 1 pip, because by now it's 7:34 and I'm getting ready to leave for work. And in hindsight, it was it was quite lucky I did bring it back to break even +1, because my stop would have just been hit there. But the interesting thing is, you see, what was it? You see here, I had these areas marked out as being inefficient. That's this chart here. You see, I had that chart printed out at this time. That, you know, I'm not doing this after the fact. I'm looking for, you know, I'd be looking for price to come and fill these areas in. And here you see, price comes back and fills these areas in. See, where I'm going long, looking for price to go long from, price came through it, comes back into it, looks like it's going short, but you can see price fails to make a new low here. And then you see we get this break through this level again. I mean, to be honest with you, if I'd been back from if I'd been back earlier, I'd be looking to go back in long in this area, because you can see, you know, this is where I was looking to take my long at what time? 7:14, 7:15 this morning. You see, price came back, filled in the inefficiencies here, and then went. And then you see prices then coming back into this area, filling in the inefficiencies that are here, and picking up, you know, and going long. That, you know, I'd have been looking to go in long, along, you know, especially once you see multiple tests of this level. You see, especially after that one where price broke out, made a new micro high there, comes back in, and then we get this bullish candle going out. That I would, if I hadn't have gone long somewhere in here, then I would definitely be going long after that candle. And what would be up? Well, maximum would have been up by now is 14 pips. I mean, now, guess what time is it now? It's 12:27 UK time. So the New York markets will be opening in about an hour's time. So I'm just going to wait now for New York to open, because as we know, you know, quite often price will reverse on New York and start, you know, coming back and filling a lot, you know, wherever far price moves out during the London session, price will return and fill all that in during the New York session. So we'll see, because, you know, this doesn't look at the moment like, you know, it's in a hurry to go up. It's not blasting away from here. You know, it's quite an efficient move that, like I said, it won't surprise me if when New York opens, and we're breaking through these highs now. So, you know, price could be picking up liquidity up here. It won't surprise me to see price come back into these levels again. Because where were we? Yeah, I would definitely have been looking to go long in there. Because you can see, if you don't go long in there, you get price. You see here, we get the price fails to make a new low after that candle. Look to the left, we find this candle. Price breaks through the high of that candle, the high of that candle and closes, comes back and tests there. So if I hadn't been going long in here, I'd definitely be going long here. You know, there was another opportunity to get in long right there after that bullish rejection from this level. And there's the 2550 half number, which is, I mean, that's only 10 pips away. So it would be interesting to see, you know, how far price can get before New York opens, and then, you know, it's just a matter of watching price action at New York Open, really. Anyway, I'll leave this video here, and I'll try and come back later with another video. I've got a friend coming to stay for a couple of weeks that I might not get much opportunity to you know, to do many videos after today. But anyway, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.